Choosing the right wire stripper can make or break your electrical projects. With so many options available, how do you avoid the common pitfalls of buying the wrong tool? In this video, we'll compare 5 of the best wire strippers on Amazon, highlighting their unique features and benefits. Stick around to discover our top pick, which could change the way you tackle your DIY tasks. Be sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful comparisons. Klein Tools 11055 EP wire cutter and stripper. The Klein Tools 11055 EP is a reliable choice for both professionals and hobbyists. This tool features a sturdy design with precision ground stripping holes that accommodate a range of wire sizes. Perfect for those who frequently work on wiring projects, this wire cutter and stripper excels in providing clean cuts and precise stripping. Whether you're rewiring a lamp or installing new outlets, the Klein Tools 11055 EP ensures a hassle-free experience. A minor drawback is that its design may be less ergonomic for extended use, but its performance more than compensates for that. Haisstronica 3-in-1 self-adjusting wire stripper. The haisstronica 3-in-1 self-adjusting wire stripper is an innovative tool ideal for anyone who values efficiency in their work. This tool self-adjusts to various wire sizes, making it incredibly easy to use for stripping, cutting, and crimping wires. This feature is particularly beneficial for beginners who may struggle with manual adjustments. Its lightweight design allows for comfortable handling, making it suitable for long projects. However, its self-adjusting feature might not work optimally on very thick wires, which can limit its applicability in heavy-duty tasks. Capri Tools 20011 Automatic Wire Stripper and Cutter. The Capri Tools 20011 Automatic Wire Stripper and Cutter is designed for versatility and speed, making it a top pick for electricians and DIY enthusiasts alike. This automatic stripper efficiently removes insulation without damaging the wire itself, thanks to its adjustable depth settings. Users love the ergonomic grip, which ensures comfort during prolonged use. It's particularly advantageous for those working on multiple wire types in a single session. However, some users note that the automatic mechanism may require a bit of practice to master, especially for those new to wire stripping tools. CREWORKS 180 watts electric wire stripper machine. If you're tackling large-scale electrical projects, the CREWORKS 180 watts electric wire stripper machine is a must-have. This powerful tool strips insulation from a variety of wire types quickly and efficiently, making it perfect for professional electricians or serious DIYers. The adjustable speed and cutting depth allow for precision, ensuring clean cuts every time. Additionally, the machine's compact design means it can easily fit on a workbench without taking up too much space. On the downside, its higher price point may deter casual users, but the investment pays off in performance. Jonard Tools CST 1900 round cable stripper. Taking the top spot is the Jonard Tools CST 1900 round cable stripper, renowned for its exceptional performance and durability. This tool is specifically designed for stripping round cables, making it perfect for professionals and serious hobbyists who work with various types of wires. Its unique design allows for quick and effortless insulation removal, enhancing productivity on the job site. Users appreciate its robust build and comfortable grip, which makes it easy to use for extended periods. However, it may not be the ideal tool for flat cables, but its efficiency with round cables is unmatched. Thank you for watching our rundown of the top 5 wire strippers available in 2026. Each of these tools offers unique features that cater to different needs. Whether you're a professional electrician or a weekend DIY warrior, don't forget to check the links in the description for current prices and grab the one that suits your needs best. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more essential tool reviews.